morning, lovelies. So today I am actually editing this video, and yesterday while we were filming I completely forgot to do the intro, so here we are. If you don't know me, my name is Adelia and I run a lifestyle blog called SheLaughsBlog.com. It is a wonderful website filled with all different topics ranging from fashion, beauty, skincare to more personal things like relationships and health. So please check that out. I will have all of my information linked down below. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Just a quick intro for you guys. I am doing a new series on the blog for back to school, and I know what you all are thinking. You've probably seen everything there is on the internet for back to school, from DIY to shopping to whatever. But guess what? You probably don't know how many boxes of ramen you need per semester, and that may come in handy. So this series is going to focus primarily on back to college. I'm going to be covering everything you need to know, from dorm shopping to finding your first apartment to everything with adulting like laundry and cooking and staying organized. And then we're also going to cover how to not fail, and you'd be surprised, that is actually very important. And then maybe, just maybe, we'll all learn how many boxes of ramen you actually need in a semester. So stay tuned for all of that on the blog, the vlog, and the Instagram. This will basically be my life for the next 2 weeks. And yeah, so right now I will show you all a little tour of my very first apartment in college, including some of my favorite must-have items, and of course I will have everything linked down below, so please enjoy. Hey guys, so let's get into this apartment tour. I chose this apartment with a rental agency in my area, and it's a perfect location because it is so close to my university and it's right near all of the bars and shops in town, so that is amazing. Now with this one, it's a 2-bedroom that I have shared over the past year, and right now I'm in my last few weeks living here before I move to a new place, so let's go check it out. All right, let's break it down room by room, or area by area, really. So first things first, college kid has to eat. So this is my kitchen. This kitchen has wonderful storage, and these cabinets are filled with the best cooking supplies, in my opinion. And soon I will be linking a whole blog post with my list of the kitchen essentials you need for your first college apartment. So stay tuned for that. And for now, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite items in my kitchen. First off, I have this super cute towel. I got it at a boutique here in town, and it says, if Target had a bar, my life would be perfect. When you turn 21, this is definitely a must-have item in the kitchen. I also love this little Kate Spade kettle that I got. I actually got this a year before I moved into an apartment, thinking that this was going to be one of the only things I'll need. Turns out it's not, but it is very, very cute. Another favorite is this mason jar. I got this one on Amazon, super cheap, and I love using it to store flowers. Alright, now on to the living room. One of my favorite parts about this apartment is that the couch, chair, coffee table, and TV stand all came with the apartment. And some of the things I added are definitely, obviously, all of the decor. I kept with a natural theme, but also adding little pops of color with kind of like an oceanic blue, green, but still very, very subtle. Other decor touches, I have this frame here, and this was actually a really great buy because I got the frame from Walmart, and then I cut out the back of it, and that was a really great buy and a really great project. Another awesome project in this room is my planty. He's been here over a year, and I'm surprised he survived this long. Moving on to the bathroom. It is actually a lot tighter than it looks. So here I've got a lot of space-saving techniques you're gonna wanna hear. First off, I got this over the toilet stand thing at Bed Bath & Beyond. It really wasn't that expensive. I also shipped it for free, which was really nice, and assembled it by myself, actually. I'm really proud. Anyway, so Here I keep my soap, some extra hand towels, and toothbrush. Also from Bed Bath & Beyond, I got this stand for all of my skincare, and I have so much skincare that I needed to use more than one level to stick it all to one side of the sink. I also use this stand for extra storage if I have a ton of spare soaps and other bath essentials. On the back of this door, we have one of my favorite items in the bathroom. This is a Good Grips door hanger, and it's really nice because it's not going to damage your doors, and I can put 2 of my bathrobes here when it's in this position, and then I can also flip it out to hold more items, so that's really great. Now for my favorite room in the whole apartment. This is my bedroom. Now, I spent a couple months trying to decorate this place as best I can. My favorite aspect of the room is the touches of pink because I only have so much time left to have, for lack of a better term, a more feminine feel to my living space. And here, let's start off with my wall gallery. I started on this project first when I got here, and I wanted to sort of make it all homey. I was inspired by Kate Spade actually to make this wall mural, and it's definitely a collection of some TJ Maxx finds, some Pottery Barn teen, but most of the wall is actually online printouts. So for this piece, and then all of these, I got all of the images online and just printed them out with my printer, and then I put them together in these frames I picked up at Walmart. So that was a really nice find and a really great like DIY project. The ampersand was inspired by Kate Spade for sure. This canvas I was so excited to find at TJ Maxx online. It was so inexpensive. This little cork board has been with me for the longest time. It's from Pottery Barn, and a couple of my favorite printouts. This is actually a printout of my perfume that I'm wearing, and this is my favorite flower, the peony. So I just love the touches of pink with that. And then this is actually a frame I made the longest time ago before I started my blog called She Laughs. And this is just a little printout that I made titled She Laughs actually, but it's basically based off of my favorite Bible verse, which is Proverbs 31:25. And then my favorite part about this room is this cute little shadow box that my honey, Brendan, made me for the Charter Day ball. This was basically how he asked me to the ball, and it was just so cute. And it also went perfectly with my little wall, so I love looking at it because we have our tickets and a little poem and a flower in there and a picture of us, so it's just so cute. I love looking at it. Now over here I have my little beauty station. I love the kind of black and white theme I've got going here. This little light up A piece I got from TJ Maxx. The candle was a gift from Capri Blue Candles. I love their scents. This one is definitely my favorite. It is pink grapefruit and prosecco, and I'm honestly gonna keep this candle around for forever, even after I've completely burned it. This is a wonderful little jewelry case for my parents. This is one of my favorite items up here. It is a little brush holder that I actually made in town, and this was really, really easy to make because I just painted the wood white and then added a stencil of the little Hello Beautiful. Another favorite find from Bed Bath & Beyond is this little makeup caddy. I didn't think it was going to fit all of my makeup, but it actually does, and it's amazing. I love using this when I'm getting ready because then I can easily reach for all of my items and then put them back exactly where they belong. Here is my main closet. I keep jackets and tops and pants here on this side, with my shoes on this little shoe rack that I actually found in a dumpster. Definitely look out for end of the year garage sales and other sorts of giveaway things that other college students may do when they're done with their stuff. You never know what you'll find. Up here I've got these Pottery Barn canvas boxes, and they've been great for the past couple years, but they were a little pricey for me. And then these other boxes I found at TJ Maxx, and they're actually Kate Spade. I loved when I found them. It was just a perfect little fit for my books and other school supplies, so that's been great. Also on this side, I keep my dresses, especially the ones that I'm currently wearing, and my suitcases down here. And then here's my little laundry basket. Okay, another favorite in my room is this wall piece. I got this one for my 21st birthday, and I found it at the cutest little Etsy shop. It was definitely a great find, and I honestly wish I got this for my dorm room way back when, because I would have had it forever. In this little window here, I have these adorable fake peonies that I also found at TJ Maxx. And then this purse is so cute. I got it at Target, actually. So hashtags Target style right there. So here's my bed. I really love these Pottery Barn sheets. One of the more annoying things about college is definitely bedding and finding the right bedding for all 4 years, because in my situation, I lived on campus for 2 years, and then now I'm spending 2 years off campus. And because of that, I had to go with a twin bed size for my first 2 years, and then now I've graduated to a full XL size. And part of that has been great because I did need to replace the duvet. I had white duvets for the past 3 years, and I honestly really regret it because with stains and everything, it can get really, really stressful. I've literally had to buy 2 bottles of OxyClean just to keep this looking close to white. But I also love my pillow selection here. These 2 sets were from Pottery Barn. My little pillows here, I got this sparkly one from Target. This monogrammed one is from Pottery Barn. I've had the monogrammed one and the sparkly one all 4 years, and they've been really great. So once you sort of get your dorm situation going, I definitely recommend finding a color scheme that you can stick with for 4 years, because that way you can reuse a lot of these pillows over and over again in other pieces around the room. I also like this little pillow. It was a gift from my boyfriend for our 1-year anniversary. For my nighttime area, I have this little stand here. So the basket at the bottom sort of holds like my laptop and other knickknacks at night, and then the top level is where I'll leave my water. It's a nice space saver for the little things that you'll need by your bed. By the way, this tapestry is from Society 6 as well, and I got the small size. It's definitely been really great to have behind the bed because it sort of creates this nice effect, and you can't go to college without getting a tapestry. All right, now to my favorite, my absolute favorite part about this apartment is that 3 stories up, we have a balcony. This is my favorite place to stay 5 months out of the year, because out here it does get really cold in the winter. So I definitely took advantage of sitting out here in the summer, spring, and early fall. I've got my email set up here, and it's just a really great place to chill and not do anything. There's also lots of nice extra space when you have people over. It's just a really great place. I mean, the view could be better because there is a brick wall, but I'll take the fresh air where I can get it. Okay, that is it for my college apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Please stay tuned for more content on my blog and my YouTube with more back to school stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe down below and let me know what other ideas you